Hey dude, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris, and you obviously clicked on this video because you want to learn about funnels and how to make money online. So let's get started. Firstly, what is a funnel? If you're not entirely sure, for those of you who don't know, a funnel is basically just a system that you use to help guide your prospect, your leads, your traffic, to help guide them towards a sale. And initially you would obviously start in the beginning of your funnel. You would start with perhaps sending people to a link in your bio. Okay, and once you've entered this link and you've gone through the process, you would basically get sent to a landing page. The landing page would, for example, ask your email and provide you with something valuable. And then after you've completed that, you'd be sent to the next step, which is generally a sales page or something along those lines, which also provides value and then hopefully tries to get you to move to the next step, which is the sale. And if that doesn't work initially, because you entered your email, you entered into an email sequence, which then over a period of a few days will send emails to your lead to hopefully provide value to your lead and to just nudge them a little bit into the direction of actually purchasing your product. So that's kind of the basics of a funnel. Now, how do we actually make a funnel? Well, to get started with that, we need to get a funnel builder, and there are many funnel builders out there. Some of them may be free, some are more advanced. But for me, I use Builderall, and I suggest you use Builderall too. It provides a lot of value besides just funnels, and also has one of the easiest funnel builders in my opinion. So when you first get into Builderall, you will be greeted with a page like this. And from here, to start a funnel, you can also go to Funnel Builder. The Funnel Builder is quite useful because in Builderall you can use this funnel builder to basically design a funnel. So let's make one right now. Test. Let's just say blank theme. Okay, so just for an example, here we're creating a funnel. What do we need to do? Okay, first step, we are going to kind of see what we want to do here. They give you some options. For this example, I'm just going to use a lead capture page. Okay, so you click on lead capture and you can choose one of these options. A squeeze page is probably one of the most common, just a simple page with some text and some information. These other ones get a little bit more advanced. For example, a bridge page allows you to put a video where you can provide video content about whatever you're trying to sell. For this example, let's use a squeeze page. Okay, so here, this is your funnel. Very basic, right? So your traffic will obviously come from here into your squeeze page, and they will of course fill out a form, and after this they will be sent to whatever link or whatever program you're trying to sell. Okay, now you can actually use in Builderall, once you've created this funnel here, you can actually just ask it to generate the whole funnel for you. So if you have multiple steps, it will generate everything for you at once. Okay, in this case it's quite simple because I only have one page, and it takes you directly to our Cheetah website builder. From here you already have your squeeze page loaded, you already have all the required information, and so you can go to edit page, and here you can see it's just a very basic squeeze page here in this case. Of course you would want to edit this. Now you can edit this in any ways to try and provide value. In this case, let's say you want to start off by kind of finding out or pushing a button with someone, right? So you're like, do you struggle losing weight? something like this that will just, you kind of pushing a button on someone. You're trying to entice them, like, yes, I do struggle losing weight. Okay, and then in the second part, here you want to kind of give the solution. So, do you struggle losing weight? Well, try our free keto meal plan. Try our free keto meal plan and lose weight today. Okay, this is kind of a terrible one, but it's just an example for you. Yes, and my spelling is terrible. Anyway, you get the point. So you can edit this to your desire and get it as good as you like. You can also use some tools like, of course, you should know ChatGPT is quite popular right now. You can use ChatGPT to generate you actually all of this information if you'd like. Just kind of another step you could use. Try to use all the tools available. Okay, so once you're done with this, of course, now you have a funnel. It's quite easy. It's quite as simple as that. Now, of course, after you've created this, one of the most important parts of your funnel is actually your email sequence, and Builderall's got you covered with this as well. So Builderall has a mailing boss. So you would just simply go to mailing boss. You first create a list. So where do you want people to go? You want people to go to your meal plan. You want them to, depending on where you receive your leads from, you could say, for example, keto meal plan, YouTube. So now you know everyone that clicked on your links came from YouTube and they got entered into this email. Okay, so they entered it here, and then you need to create a sequence. Okay, so we can see here, this will just show all of my mails, but yeah, you get the point. We have various mails and a various sequence. Okay, you can get these usually with ad swipes or various other methods in which you can actually create an email sequence. Okay, and I'll definitely go into more in depth regarding this once in future videos, basically. Okay, this is just an overview. Okay, and yeah, I mean, that's quite easy to create a funnel. I know it was quite basic, but that's all you really need. With Builderall, you're able to really create a funnel quickly, create a funnel, get your emails, and start promoting your link. Okay. When it comes to actually getting your links and what you want to promote and all of that, that's an entirely another video. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys. So now you know how to create the funnel. It's quite basic. I will definitely go into more detail in future videos, so stay tuned. And okay, if you would like to get started right now and you really want some in-depth training on how to create funnels, how to sell, how to do ads, pretty much anything and everything you need for affiliate marketing, my mentor Chad actually has a course which you can join. The course is normally valued at around $900, but if you sign up using the link below, you can get this course completely free. And just a quick overview for you here. In this course, you actually get a lot of free training, how to do YouTube ads, Google ads, how to do organic strategies like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. All of this information can really help to increase your sales. And then, of course, one of the best things about this course is that Chad has provided campaigns for you. And there are about 7 done-for-you campaigns which come absolutely free with this course, where you can simply download the funnel and get access to all the email swipes, get access to all the information, how you should target, a lot of valuable information, and it's all done for you. So you can simply import it into your Builderall and get started right away, and you don't need to spend a lot of time or money on other things. So yeah, get started today and get this complete training for free using the link in the link below. Now, if you stayed right until the end, I'd like to say thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.